Dr. Beg Mumtaz, Assistant Professor, Botany, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria, College for Women. Today's topic is structure of prokaryotic cell, that is bacterial cell. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic, this is Greek word. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. These prokaryotic cells are small, simple and most primitive. The genetic material in this cell is not organized in true nucleus, are called prokaryotic cell. Characteristic of prokaryotic cell. Well organized nucleus is absent. In prokaryotic cell, genetic or nuclear material is not enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cell consists of single circular double-stranded DNA represents the chromosome called nucleoid. Prokaryotic cell nucleolus is absent in the nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, plastids, lysosomes are absent. In this cell, respiratory enzymes are associated with plasma membrane and mitochondria are absent. If you see a ultrastructure, a typical bacterial cell has an outer covering and cytoplasm. Outer covering of bacterial cell is made up of three layers: plasma membrane, cell wall, capsule. Plasma membrane is outermost boundary of the cytoplasm, which is made by lipids and proteins. Next is cell wall. It is present external to plasma membrane and surround the protoplast. The cell wall is strong, rigid, elastic, porous and freely permeable to solvents as well as soluble particles. Next is capsule. Outside to the cell wall, most of the bacteria have a slimy capsule which composed of polysaccharides. This capsule serves as additional protective layer to the bacterial cell. Next is in ultrastructure, cytoplasm plays a very important role. Cytoplasm of the bacterial cells is dense, colloidal and contains granules of glycogen protein. But this cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell lacks cellular organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, lysosomes and centrioles. Here the DNA is distinct. The photosynthetic pigment and enzymes are associated with internal membrane that are arranged as lamella, tubule or vesicles. Many bacteria have whip-like outgrowth called flagella. In some of the bacteria, there is a extra chromosomal double-stranded mini-circular DNA molecules which are known as plastids. Hence, plastids are also called as a genetic entities, as every plasmid carry a few genes. There are various types of naked granular bodies enclosed in about 4 mm thick gas vacuoles are present. Mostly bacteria contain glycogen granules which serve as a reserve food material. Thank you very much.